Hey everybody, it's Derek Wiley from Fast Cars and More. So as you can see, I've pretty much blacked out everything on the back end of my 2019 Ram except for my tailgate handle. I finally got one in, so I'm fixing to work on getting that swapped out. I've already kind of got started on it with getting all these bolts removed out of this plate here. And there go the handle right there. Like it's just a couple bolts right here just holding it in here. Disconnect the camera. That's look like it's going to be a pretty quick, easy install. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. And I'm not gonna make a video of it just because it's pretty self-explanatory. Ain't but 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just holding this thing in here, and I'm pretty sure once I get it out, I can get the camera out of there. So anyway, I'll do a before and after shot on what it looks like, and I'll talk to y'all here shortly. All right, I got the new handle on. It literally took about 5 minutes. It's just 4 screws in there, 2 hold it on to the frame, and 2 that holds the camera bracket in place. And it just slid, the camera just slide in and slide back into place, and put the 2 screws in, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna put this, now it's completely black here on the back end. Looks really good. So now all I gotta do is put my cover back on. I got everything tightened down and put back in place. It's that simple. So if you have any questions, as always, comment below. I'll do my best to help. And as always, I appreciate the subscribes. Y'all have a good day.